take this moment to get comfortable. Find a position in which you can simply be here for a little while, and when you're ready, you may choose to gently close your eyes, either fully or partially, whatever is best for you. And now, taking a moment to arrive, noticing that you're here. Noticing your body, noticing your breath. There is nowhere else you need to be for this next few minutes. Nothing else you need to do. Just be here. And whenever you're ready, bringing your attention to your natural breathing. Not trying to change it, just noticing it. Breathing in, breathing out. Perhaps noticing where you feel your breath most clearly. It could be your nostrils, your chest, your belly, and allowing yourself to simply follow the natural rhythm of your breathing. And after a few breaths, perhaps bringing your attention to some of the things that are already here. Something quite simple, something ordinary, something you may not always stop to appreciate. Maybe it's a person or a place. Could be something in your home. Something that makes your day easier. Something that brings you comfort. Or could be something that brings you joy. And when this something comes to mind, just taking your time with it, noticing it, perhaps noticing what you appreciate about it. Maybe noticing how it feels. Just allow yourself to really take it in. And if gratitude is here, you can let yourself be with gratitude. And if it isn't, this is okay too. There is nothing you need to feel. We're simply noticing. And now perhaps widening your awareness a bit more. What else is here? What else supports your life? What else have you received that you maybe have forgotten to notice? Perhaps a kindness someone has offered you, or something that you've learned recently. Maybe a conversation, a moment of laughter, a meal, or a beautiful view, a quiet morning. The simple fact of having a place to rest your body. Just noticing. And perhaps now, turning your attention toward yourself. Is there something about yourself that you appreciate? Something you've learned, something you've created, something you've overcome. Could be a quality you carry, like your curiosity, your creativity, your ability to care, your ability to begin again. Whatever comes to mind, and perhaps simply recognizing this too is here. And now, letting yourself rest for a moment with everything you've noticed. The breath, the body, the things you appreciate, the people, the experiences, the qualities within yourself. Perhaps noticing that there is already so much more. And maybe this is a way we can understand abundance as not particularly having everything, but as being able to see what is already here. When we slow down enough to notice what we have, we can begin to see our lives clearly. We can appreciate what is already here without losing sight of what we could still like to grow. And from that place, we can make wiser choices. We can ask ourselves, what would I like to cultivate more of? What matters to me now? And what is one small step I can take toward it? We don't have to figure it all out. We can simply appreciate where we are, see where we'd like to go, and take the next step from there. And maybe that's a part of abundance too. Just knowing what we have, knowing that we have aspirations and wants, and just having enough clarity to choose what comes next. So just staying here for a few more breaths, breathing in and breathing out. Perhaps just appreciating this moment. And whenever you're ready, just slowly and gently begin to reconnect with the space around you, the space you're in, the feeling of your body, and perhaps carrying this practice with you today. Notice what you have. Appreciate what is here. And from that place, see what you'd like to create, cultivate, or move towards next. And whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes. Thank you so much for taking these few minutes to slow down and notice. Thank you for your practice, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.